the norm for this time of year. Better boating weather, great beach weather tomorrow too. Looks fantastic. Seas will calm down, so if you have any plans along the coast, looks fantastic. 7-day forecast, low to mid 90s, heat indices over 100 degrees. Sunday, the sunniest day, and probably the best chance for rain will be Labor Day, but not a washout by any means.